would you consider yourself as still being loyal to former President Duterte? And if so, what compels you to have that loyalty?
I think the right statement is I am loyal to the country and to the people. Because President Duterte did so many good things for the people. Kaya napiperceive nila that I'm loyal to the former president. I respect the former president, but our loyalty should be to the people and to the country. Yun ang aking position. That's why I filed my candidacy, or I will be filing my candidacy as an independent candidate. I want to be perceived as the key to that unity by not being able to side to whatever group. Because gusto kong ma-entice sa mga tao natin ang ating pagsikapan ay kung paano tayo magkakaroon ng ganap at tunay na pagkakaisa.